YouTube? It's your boy Wealthy. It's another day for me, another video for y'all. Currently in Greeley, Colorado. I'm gonna try to hurry this video up because I got class literally in about 60 seconds, so I'm gonna make this quick. But currently in Greeley, posted this on the day that I'm posting this on the day of the video of me getting in the mud. So it's Tuesday. At the end of that video, I said I was going from Freeport to Colorado, which I didn't record, but I got here yesterday. I drove from Aurora, Colorado, all the way up to Greeley, Colorado, and now I'm chilling, about to go get my load, which is going from Colorado to Houston, back to Houston. Take me 2 days, so I just want to say 3 things that I got on my list today to do. Grab my load, hit the gym when I get to Amarillo, Texas, and the third one would be get a trade in today. Just an update on my trade. I had a trade yesterday, and it didn't go well, which is okay. You know, it happens. You're not gonna win all your trades, but the problem was I risked 10 times that amount of money that I was supposed to risk. I was only supposed to lose $40. I lost $400. Luckily I was already in profit. As far as like, I started with a $500 account and got it up to $878. And you know, I lost $400. I'm basically back at square one, which is cool, no big deal. But you know, it would have been nice because I'd still be at $800. You know what I'm saying? So, but it's whatever. The reason why I lost $400 is because now I'm a stocks guy, and like when you're doing stocks, you trade options. You know, when you're looking at the contracts, if a contract says it's $10, that means it's actually for the whole options contract you're paying $100. Well, when it comes to forward, which is what I'm trading, they use this thing called lot sizes. So, you know, you can do a 10, you can do a 1, a 0.1, a 0.01. They all have different values within whatever pair that you're using. I was supposed to use a 0.1, and instead I use a 1.0. So, you know, the only reason I knew, it was kind of like too late by the time I realized, but I'm doing my thing. I think I'm driving around, you know, I'm eating, just chilling. And I'm like, man, I finally was like, man, let me just check my trade, because my trades take forever. So I don't just like look at my trade. I put like alarms. I set alerts to notify me when price gets to a certain area. So I haven't heard an alert, you know, in like 4 hours, 5 hours. So I was like, man, let me see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I checked my account, and it said I was down $200 already. So I was like, So in my head, I was like, do I cut this, or do I see if my trade actually worked? You know what I'm saying? So I went the trade route, obviously. And my trade literally did not end until this morning, probably around like 6 a.m. So down 400, which is cool. I'm back to square one, which is why I didn't risk a lot of money. Only risk 500. I was gonna risk 5,000, but I'm so happy I didn't risk 5,000. So happy. But yeah. Regardless, I got I got the market already marked up and everything. So I'm waiting for a price to hit a certain area so I can look to see if I'm taking another entry today. We'll see. But besides that, that's really all I got right now. I'm starving. I'm probably gonna cook me something to eat, all that good stuff, and then get on the road. I know that was quick because my class is already starting right now, so I'm gonna holla at y'all, and yeah, I'll see you on the next clip. So picked up the load. I just scaled the trailer. Now I got about a 10-hour drive. I got 10 hours on my drive time, but I don't think I'm gonna make it to Amarillo, Texas for a workout. So what I might do is I might stop at a Love somewhere and just get a run in, just get something in. But right here, I literally right after I scaled, my alert was going off for my entry for my trade to go in, and the trade left without me. The trade left without me. That big green candle was just too big of a candle for me to get in, so it's already close to my black line that says 0%, 0.00%. So because of that, I'm going to two things: either I'm just not going to trade today, or I'm just going to look for another entry or another play to come up. But yeah, for right now, I'm checking. I'm about to just lock in and get this day over with. So yeah, back to it.
What up, Donnie?
All right, y'all. So it's another day, second day of me driving to Houston. As y'all can probably tell, I just woke up not too long ago. And as y'all also can see, my truck is not starting. So two things I'm gonna do. Well, hopefully just one thing I gotta do, but I got this trailer. I'm gonna connect it to my truck and see what happens. See if it'll start. But if not, they got this love shop right in front of me. I'm just gonna ask them to help start me up, and that should be good. But I'm like, couldn't figure out why my truck not starting. But I forgot that I had some stuff plugged up to get charged, and I shouldn't have done that. So that is definitely on me. But yeah, let me get to it. All right, so I got the truck hooked up. I'm probably gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes to see if my truck will start. Hopefully, but yeah, I just want to talk to y'all about my trade. I'm in the trade right now, and so far so good. It hasn't hit my first take profit, but it's on the way right now. But I'm realizing why some, I guess, content creators don't really record themselves when they trade, especially when they starting off. Um, Not saying that this trade is gonna go bad, anything like that, but I'm definitely starting to realize that I'm trading to. Not saying that I'm trading for y'all, but like it's almost like I want the trade to go well, so I have something to post on my videos. You get what I'm saying? And I don't like that because it's messing up my psychology. Like, instead of accepting if the trade is gonna lose, it could lose. You know what I'm saying? Because not all trades are. It's not 100% probability. It's a probability game. So, I might win 80% of the time, but I'm gonna lose some. So I personally feel like I need to just lock in on a skill, and just get it to where, like, I'm pretty much, if anybody's playing, if you're playing a video game, or maybe you're a female and you just started doing makeup, like, you got so good at the skill that you kind of understand like what's gonna happen when certain things happen. Um, yeah, alert. My bad. Alert literally just went off. So it's getting close to my TP. But yeah, like, I think I'm gonna cool off on showing y'all my trades. I'm not saying I'm gonna stop trading, but I definitely want to get back. I want to get to a point where I'm confident to even show y'all my wins and losses. So for right now, I'm gonna chill off the trading. But I guess I'll show y'all if this trade goes well. I'll show y'all at least that. But after that, I think I'm good on it. I'm gonna just relax and lock in. Yeah. All right, let's see. Hold on. I think I want to start. Yikes. Say it one more time.
You got your key on?
Yeah, it's off. Alright, so I don't got my mic on, but turns out this dude tried to help me out. It still wouldn't start. So I called my job. He's telling me to hook the jumper cables back to my tractor. So that's what I'm about to do. And then he said I need to wait 30 minutes just for the truck to get enough juice. So I guess I'm gonna be chilling. I'm about to just once I hook this up, this just has a Sonic. I normally, like, I would have cooked me something to eat, but because of this and I'm short on time, I'm about to go to Sonic and get me some breakfast, which I really don't want to do, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It's just so crazy. Like, last video, I get stuck in the mud. Now my truck don't start this week. Like, I don't know what's going on, man, but I'm gonna get this bad juju away from me ASAP. But yeah, I'm about to hook this tractor back up, and then I guess I'm about to go chill in this Sonic. Probably bring my work over there, like read or something, do something productive, I guess, because this this tractor has ruined my plans. I was literally supposed to get up early, do some things, and that's what happens when you're a truck driver. Sometimes your day, just like I said in the last video, like, you wake up, the sun is shining, the miles is going by quick, then it be them days, it just don't go as planned. Like, you just be like, dang, like I was gonna do X, Y, Z, and now you're doing A, B, C. But yeah, I'm gonna end this, man. I'm about to go lock in, man. Pray for your boy. Alright, so I finished my food. As y'all can probably hear my dude beside me. Realized I was struggling with my truck, so got the truck started, and I need to put this mic on so y'all, hopefully I can hear me. But I didn't get to study or nothing. Like, literally, as soon as I walked to Sonic, the maintenance dude called me talking about, hey, when your truck is at 12.7 voltage, when you get back, call me. Got back there, he didn't even answer. So it's been about 30 minutes of it charging, And yeah, it's been about 30 minutes of it charging, and I finally said, let me just crank it up and see if it worked. It worked. So, like, my 10 hours about to end in about 60 seconds. So here's the problem. I didn't get a workout yesterday. I'm supposed to be driving to Houston, but they're gonna have me stop at the yard just to get my truck checked out. So because of that, I might not even get a workout in today. So I don't know, man. Like, I hate when things don't go as planned. You get what I'm saying? But you know, it is what it is. But I'm about to get ready for this drive. You know, yeah, I might get ready for this drive, man. I think I got maybe about a 4 to 3 hour drive to the yard, I think. So yeah. All right, let's get to it.